Your brain won't shut up. Ants solved this 100 million years ago. And today, you are gonna steal their 5-minute ritual to end overthinking for good. You ever do this? You send a text, no reply. Your brain spins. Did I say too much? Are they mad? Do I even matter? It's 3:07 a.m. You are in bed, but your brain, it's working a 12-hour shift, replaying moment, regretting not saying the right thing, fearing the worst. Or maybe you're about to make a move, quit your job, confess your feelings, apply for that thing, but then your brain says, what if I fail? What if they laugh? What if everything collapses? Overthinking is like mental rot. One toxic thought can spread like a virus. Like ants, we need a burial ritual to remove the emotional cups from our minds. What if? What if? What if? But ants, they don't do this. When something threatens the colony, they act fast. 3 steps. 1. Bite. They attack the wound. Close it. No debate. No mental committee meeting. 2. Bury. If a body can't be saved, they dig a grave right there. 3. Seal. They cover it up so infection doesn't spread, so the past stays past. Scientists call this necrophoresis. It's how ants stop infection from spreading, by burying anything dangerous before it poisons the colony. Your brain is infected by thought cups, old fears, old shame, unmade decisions. What do ants do with cups? They don't stir, they bury. Harvard researchers found this. Rituals reduce overthinking by up to 68%. But the ritual has to be simple and it has to be felt. Here's how you do it right now. No more talking. Let's bury this thing. Step 1. Grab a jar. Fill it with dirt, sand, rice, or paper. Doesn't matter. You're about to turn this into your mental graveyard. Step 2. Write it down. Just one thought. The one that's chewing you alive. Keep it under 5 words. I'm not good enough. Should I quit my job? They don't love me. Write it on a slip of paper. Rip it off. Feel the power. Step 3. Bury it. Stick that paper in the jar. Push it deep. Cover it while saying, this thought saved me. Now I release it. Say it out loud. Louder, like you are telling your brain, enough. Step 4. Seal it. Close the jar. Don't open it for 24 hours. Let your brain understand this thought is handled. But here's the twist. You are not just doing this once. When you bury a thought physically, your brain reads it as closure. It's a primitive switch. Your brain doesn't know the difference between symbolic and real. That's why funerals help people heal. That's why burning letters works. That's why ants bury. A case study. Meet Sarah. She buried one sentence. Should I leave him? That night, she slept for 8 hours straight. First time in 3 months. No more rumination. No more replay. Just space. Clarity. Freedom. You want to stop overthinking for good? Here's the game. For the next 7 days, bury one thought per day. Start now. Comment and bury day 1. Share your jar pick. Track your silence. Your mind is going to feel lighter by day 3. You will feel it. Each burial is a brain reset. And guess what? You don't need to fix the thought. You just need to bury it. You are not your thought. You are the barrier of them. You are the leader of your mental colony. Ants don't overthink survival. They act. They protect. They move on. One last thing. The jar, don't throw it away. Keep it. Let it remind you, you are not broken. You are just carrying too many dead thoughts. So bury one today and get your peace back. You deserve it. This isn't just about a jar. It's about an emotional hygiene. An ant ritual for your overworked brain. If this hit you, comment buried. If it helped, share it with one overthinker you love. Let's make this ritual go viral. Let's bury 1 million thoughts together. Thank you.